Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create an overlay image on your Canva application using this simple method. So the way to create it, first you need to open your Canva and then insert the image that you want to edit. And for me, I'm going to use this image. Now you can click this three dots button when you're using phone and set the image as a background like this. Set it as the background. The next step, it's a very simple step. So you just need to insert a shape onto this image by clicking this element button and go to this shapes button, click see all and use any shapes that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use maybe this kind of shape, this one, and I'm just going to adjust the position of the shape by rotating it like this. After I rotating the shape like this, I'm going to increase the size of it like this. And now the next step, you just need to send this shape behind of the object, but because the picture of this image I already set it as a background, so you just need to insert the same image of it and put it on this page, kind of like that. And now first I'm going to add a border onto the shape by clicking the style and click this second style of border and increase the border weight onto 100 like this. And now check the color of the background, set it onto blank color like this, and for the border color click it. Now you can adjust the border color as a color that you want. So for me, I'm going to use this color. And now the next step, you just need to insert the image as same image as the background like I said before. So go to your gallery and insert the image that you are adding it onto the page previously. After you adding it, go to the Magic Studio button, this one, tap it and click this BG remover from the image. And when you're done, the background from the image will be disappear and the object that left from the image is only the exact object that you want to edit. Okay, when you're done, the next step, add the image inside of the frame, kind of like this. And now you just need to positioning it and try to cut or maybe do whatever you want to make it look like it's have this effect, this overlay effect like this. And I'm going to cut it onto this side too, this one like this. And I think I'm just going to do that and positioning it by using this nudge button on your toolbars when you're using font. But when you're using your PC, you can use the arrow button on your keyboard, kind of like that. And when you're done, this is the result that you get. As you can see, it's so simple method that you can recreate on your own Canva. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.